Hi, this is Casey with Holiday Automotive. Today we're taking a look at a white 2013 Ford F-150 SuperCrew Lariat, stock number 18F207A. You have chrome heavy-duty tow hooks, factory fog lights, and a sharp chrome grille up front. The hood is in excellent shape. I do not see any noticeable scratches. There is a chrome rim that is wrapped in a Goodyear Wrangler tire. Inside, you have a black leather upholstery. That's in fantastic condition. There is seating for 2 in the front row. You've got seating for 3 back in the second row, so that makes this a 5-passenger F-150. And we'll take a quick look down the passenger side. As you can see, you've got this great 4x4 bedside decal here. There are backup sensors on the bumper. You've got a trailer hitch and a backup camera. There's a soft tonneau cover here that is in great shape. And then inside of the truck bed, you have a drop-in bed liner. That's in good condition as well. It is very clean. And the reason that I'm showing you this Ford today is because I would like for you to see all angles of this before you schedule your test drive or before we ship this out to you. There are keypad entry buttons on the driver's side door. On the inside of the door, you have your usual power amenities. There are power lumbar adjustments, and you do have buttons here for memory seating. There is a power adjustable pedal button here. And on the left side of the steering wheel, you have cruise control buttons. On the right side, you have audio controls. There is a 4x4 turn dial control, and you also have an integrated trailer brake control. There's a great touchscreen display here, which is where your backup camera will show. There is a CD player along with an AM/FM radio, and then here towards the bottom, you've got your climate controls. This is a 6-speed automatic transmission, and your engine is a 5-liter V8 engine. Coming up to the driver's side visor, there are HomeLink garage door opener buttons. And if you'd like to get more information on this F-150 or to schedule your test drive, visit us at holidayautomotive.com, where you'll also receive a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. Again, that's holidayautomotive.com. My name is Casey, and thanks for watching.